Everybody, it's Scott Smith, Southern California. We just got another fresh M235 off the truck too, and here it comes. I think this one's going to be in our Glacier Slver. As you can see, it's sitting a little high because they put blocks in the suspension for so the cars don't rock back and forth on the ships when they come over from Germany. So you can see these are standard with the M Performance brakes. You got that nice gray colored wheel. That's kind of the characteristic signature of the M235. And remember, they've gotten this car down to 4.4 0 to 60. I think it was one of the magazines. Fresh off the truck, still has all the plastic on it. Let's go look at the sticker. Oh, this one's cool. This one's got the Terra Dakota leather in it. So this one's the Glacier Slver, Terra Dakota leather, cold weather package, driver's assistance plus. It's pretty rare. I haven't seen that on too many cars. You got the premium package, technology package, alarm system, automatic high beams, park assist, HK. Man, this thing is loaded. Concierge service, $53.5 for a sticker. It's getting up there. 25 for an average mileage, and 22 and 32. Man, check out this interior. It's the first time I've seen this with the Slver. Man, pretty cool. Especially with the Slver. Something a little different, you know? That is really cool. This one's got the wood trim in it. Remember, this is 320 horsepower, 330 in torque. Very cool. Start this thing up. Check out the dash. Pretty sweet. It's got the big gauges, easy to read. Cool wood trim, something kind of cool with this interior. Then remember, this is 2+2. Not a third seatbelt. Seats fold down standard. What's wrong? Oh, okay. Hey, you want to rev it up a little bit, Jesus? Give it a little exhaust? Cool.
I post a video.
Here we go.
Making a video.
Oh, cool. Hey, Sus, go ahead and jump in, man. Give it a little rev. Come on, give it a little juice. Let's hear this bad boy. Hello.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Come on over. Black exhaust tips. It's got the spoiler standard. This one's got the driver's assistance with the rear sensors and the cameras. Thanks, buddy. Man, it sounds good. Whoop, here comes another one. Boy, they're just pulling these cars off the trucks left and right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Another cool color combination that we got from the factory. I bet you probably a custom order. Hey, thanks for watching. Later.